world's most powerful Arctic icebreaker. In the most hostile environment on Earth, where frozen seas stretch for thousands of miles and the sun disappears for half the year, one ship reigns supreme. It can crush walls of ice, power through storms, and survive where no ordinary vessel could. This is the world's most powerful Arctic icebreaker. Meet Arktika, the flagship of Russia's Project 22220 nuclear-powered icebreakers. At over 173 meters long, 33 meters wide, and weighing more than 33,000 tons, she is built like a floating fortress. Her mission? To keep vital shipping lanes open across the Northern Sea route, connecting Europe to Asia through the frozen Arctic. With dual nuclear reactors generating 175 megawatts of thermal power, she produces over 80,000 horsepower, enough to break through ice 3 meters thick. Unlike conventional ships, she can operate for up to 7 years without refueling. Since the 19th century, explorers have battled the unforgiving Arctic seas. Many ships were trapped, some lost forever. The only way forward? Build vessels powerful enough to smash through nature's frozen armor. Today, these ships are vital for global trade. With Arctic ice slowly retreating, the Northern Sea route could cut shipping distances between Asia and Europe by nearly 40%. But without icebreakers, even modern cargo giants would stand no chance. Inside the Arktika, everything is designed for endurance. The bridge is packed with state-of-the-art navigation systems, allowing captains to guide ships through constantly shifting ice. Deep below deck, 2 nuclear reactors hum quietly, producing energy from massive electric propulsion motors. Life aboard is harsh, but manageable. Crews spend months away from home, isolated in polar darkness. Yet, they have gyms, libraries, and even saunas, small comforts against the endless Arctic cold. In 2021, a tanker carrying essential fuel supplies became trapped in the East Siberian Sea. Temperatures plunged to minus 40 degrees Celsius, winds howled, and the ship was stranded. Without rescue, the crew risked disaster. Within hours, the nuclear icebreaker Arktika was dispatched. Smashing through frozen ridges, she carved a channel through 2 meters of solid ice, freeing the stranded vessel and escorting it safely to port. For the crew on board, it was the difference between life and death. The secret of an icebreaker lies in its hull. Rather than slicing through, the bow rides up onto the ice, using the ship's immense weight to crush it. Arktika's hull is reinforced with high-strength steel, more than twice as thick as conventional ships. Her propulsion system is unlike any other. 2 nuclear reactors power steam turbines, which drive giant electric motors connected to propellers. This system not only provides raw power, but also precision, essential when maneuvering through treacherous conditions. For the crew, the Arctic is a constant test of endurance. Visibility can drop to 0 in ice fog. Temperatures freeze equipment solid. At times, they work in complete darkness for months on end. Yet, their mission continues, to keep shipping lanes open and assist stranded vessels. One crew member described the sound of the ship crushing ice as a never-ending thunderstorm under your feet. Another recalled standing on deck as polar bears approached out of the darkness. But icebreakers aren't just lifelines for trade. They are also floating laboratories. The Arktika has supported polar research missions, deploying scientists to study melting ice, wildlife, and the effects of climate change in the Arctic Ocean. With helicopters on board, researchers can reach remote areas inaccessible by land or sea. Data collected here helps predict sea ice patterns, vital for both shipping safety and climate science. As the Arctic opens up, nations are racing to secure control of these waters. Russia operates the largest fleet of nuclear icebreakers, while other countries like the US, Canada, and China are investing in their own. Whoever dominates the Arctic will control one of the most strategic trade routes of the 21st century. Even more powerful ships are coming. Russia is developing the Leader-class icebreakers, projected to generate 120 megawatts of power, capable of cutting through ice 4 meters thick. These floating giants could make year-round navigation of the Northern Sea route a reality. In a world where the Arctic remains one of the last true frontiers, the world's most powerful icebreakers stand as symbols of human determination and engineering brilliance. They are guardians of trade, rescuers of the stranded, and pioneers of science. Unstoppable titans of the frozen seas. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.